Magbabas kami papuntang east. Iwan namin yung sasakyan doon at magbabas kami kasi very accessible naman dito. Bakit? Coins? Kunin mo yung coins. Okay. So, ayun.
Why?
Huh?
Why I have to ride
Because you should know how to ride a bus here. Because when you grow up, paano kung wala kang car? Oh, edi at least marunong kang mag-ride ng bus. Diba?
I don't want to. I don't want to grow up.
It's a challenge, anak. Challenge! You ride the bus, okay, then we'll ride the bus and get a donut. Oh, di ba? When you do that challenge.
Why can't?
So, yun.
Why can't? I don't want. I don't want to grow up.
Ay, bahala ka, anak. So, malapit lang kami sa mga bus stop dito. Madali lang siya ngayong summer, pero pag winter, ayun, mahirap.
I don't know how to ride the bus.
Doon na sila. Kinuha niya pa yung coins sa pang bus. Meron kaming car dati. Twice lang namin nagamit. Di ko na alam kung nasan ko nalagay.
Mommy, I don't know.
So, nasa side siya ng Teams, yung isa, tas nasa tapat ng Superstore. Eto, dito daw kami, sabi ni Daryl. Hindi ako marunong tumingin, kaya sinama ko sila. Ako lang dapat. Pero yan, adventure. Off naman naming dalawa. So, yun guys, yung nandito kami sa bus.
I don't want to ride the bus.
Tama, may
I don't like riding the bus.
ayaw ni Kaden ang arte. Kaden, you're riding a bus, right?
Also now, nakalagay.
I have to ride the bus.
Si Ella, mega outfit pa yan. Magbabas lang naman.
I don't want to ride the bus.
para lang ma-experience, guys. After 3 years, bago natin ulit to na-experience, no? Nung bagong dating 2 beses lang kami. Ayan na naman eh. You're riding a bus.
Go back there. And I might fall.
You're not happy.
Because the bus doesn't have a seatbelt.
There's no seat. Oh, we're gonna move there. Kunin mo sa Ella. Oh, diba? Kaano pa rin sila kumakain ng pizza. Hey guys, nakabasa kami for real. Hey? Ella, smile. Sabi ni Kaden, Toyor us daw.
Nagustuhan niya? Do you have
Yes. I think I did bus.
beds?
Now we have to know because I have start to that way.
Okay. Yeah.
That way.
Yeah.
Okay na.
A few moments later.
Dito na tayo sa Superstore.
Hi.
Tala! Day off. What? What happened to your pants? Itchy?
No, it's the windy and cool.
Oh, it's windy and cold. Yeah.
Windy and it's wine.
Why itchy?
It's
Superstore. Pasok na tayo.
That's good.
Nakapili na sila ng Hot Wheels nila.
Ella, it's the favorite color.
Yeah, different color. See?
No, it's the same. It's
Oh,
the
same color.
Daddy,
Napili na sila. Pero maglilipot pa kami.
go home.
Pa kami.
Let's go home. Let's go home.
What?
Home.
We're going to wait for mom.
But I can't wait.
You can wait. We can wait. Bayad na. Tingin pa tayo ng ibang toys. Dahil mag-aantay pa tayo eh. Yan, punta naman kami ng Winners. Tama ko sila Ella. Nag-exercise. Hello!
I just want to hold my hand.
Why?
Because Ella just want to. But Ella said no.
No?
My hand.
Oh, your hat. Let's go. Winners. Hold up.
Ella just want to.
Oh, why?
Because Ella said no. I don't know why Ella doesn't want to. Ella wants to hold Daddy, but not me.
Okay, wait na. Yan, winners na kami. At sila ay naglalaro sa salamin. Eh? Eh, what's that? Hey then. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, come on, let's check. Let's check some toys.
Yes, let's check.
Dito na tayo sa toy section.
Yes. Yes. Let's check the door. Yes.
Oh, look oh.
It's car.
Hmm.
I want to beep beep.
Beep beep.
It just beep beep.
Oh, there's a small car too. There.
Oh. How does a small car do?
Wow, pushing.
Ella, let's check some more toys. Yes.
One eternity later.
Ayan guys, tumatakbo na kami. Sinundo ko na sila. Effort, di ba?
Come on.
Come on. So, saan tayo? Walang tawiran dito. Walang tawiran dito. Doon ka tatawid. Oh, sige. What? You're tired?
It's so far away. It's so
That's
far
fine. Because we're getting the bus. Okay din. So, ayun guys. You want Olaf?
I want Olaf. I want Olaf.
You want the bus? Hello?
Yes.
You want the bus?
No, Olaf. I want the bus. No, Olaf. No,
So you
Olaf.
always ride a bus now. No car, okay?
No, car.
Ella, bus is better?
Bus is better. No, car is better.
Okay, then you can drive your car, but Ella can ride a bus. Is that okay? We're not gonna drive. We're going to ride a bus.
I hate bus. You might to drive the car and I should ride the bus. And then I ride the bus.
And I'm driving you?
Yes.
Oh my god, I don't want. I don't know how to drive.
You know. You know. You guys have no
Either now
You know how to drive now.
20 minutes pa?
Yun yung next kapag wala pa yung
Akala ko.
Dahil isang buwan din ang inantay niya. Tapos nagpapagod pa siya.
So So, ayun nga guys, nandito kami sa bus stop. Merong nakaupo doon. So, yan. Ilang minutes pa, Daryl?
No.
Now na? Nandyan na. Bus natin. You want to go home na, Ella? Why? Are you tired?
Yes, I want to play with our Hot Wheels cars.
Oh, what did you bought?
Hot Wheels car.
What kind of Hot Wheels car?
It's a race car.
So, are you happy?
The purple one.
A purple one
I
again?
get the blue one.
How about Daddy?
A purple one again.
Okay.
I get
Second bus. Are you happy? Yee!
Kasi wala.
Oo. Gustong gusto daw ni Ella mag-bus. You love bus? Si Kaden ayaw. Ang arte. Ayan. Tapos na yung ginawa ko sa work.
Yamanin to.
Kaden, mayaman ka? Hindi ka mayaman, ah.
Dito na-compute sa Pilipinas eh.
Oo, hindi siya kasi nag-commute, guys. Etong si Ella, ganito kaliit. Dito niya nag-try. Ay, happy ang baby. So, yan. Okay naman. Kung gusto mo ma-tour ang buong Regina. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Where are you now?
car wash.
Okay. Di punta na tayo ng superstore. Are you happy?
Yes.
Where did you go?
Superstar.
What did you do at the superstore?
Get harvest and purple. Like the same.
Okay. What happened here, anak? Is it hurt?
Yes.
Why? What happened here?
I was sitting alone.
You were sleeping.
Yes.
Ay, sus. Next time, be careful, ha?
Okay.
70.
Okay.
Kanina, 150.
Happy ka? Happy si Daryl kasi konti daw ang bus. Nahihilo siya, guys. Ayan. Ang saya kaya. Nag-i-enjoy ako. So, yan, guys. Hahatid mo ako sa Friday, ha? Para sunduin nyo na lang ako. Hatid ka namin. Abot ba ako sa session? Parang hindi na. Yan doon naman mag-uumpisa yun. So,
Anong oras na sila doon?
ha?
Anong oras sila doon?
Sila Ate Army?
Ah.
2 daw ang start eh. Kasi aalis din sila kasi may tugtog si Dash ng pavilion. Dun sa cultural thing. So, dito yung mga bahay sa east. Oo. Double garage pa, no? Ang laki nito.
Eh, bakit?
Gusto mo nang tumira dito, Daryl?
Matayo ng ano?
Mukhang gusto mo nang tumira dito, Daryl, ah. Iwan ka na. Iwan ka na namin dito. Kumatok ka kung sinong aampon sa'yo. Ayan. So, empty yung upuan, guys. Kami lang ang pasahero. Merong isa sa likod. No? Dalawa? Mas konti yung stock ngayon, di ba?
Hindi pa kasi uwihan.
Sa bagay.
Gantay ka ng mga 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock.
Daming uuwi. Daryl, ilang stock pa?
53.
5-3?
Ah.
Oh my God. Anak, matulog muna kayo. Makakarating na tayo umaga na. Kasi parang umiikot-ikot siya, no? Per ano. Kaya yun yung nagpapatagal. Okay lang kung wala kang hinahabol na oras. Parang katulad namin, sinasayang namin yung araw namin dito. Char. Pero hindi naman. Tawag dito, ayan.
Okay, girl. School.
Para ma-experience. Si Ella gustong gusto to eh. Si Kaden ayaw na. At least nagtutour sila, oh. Is this your school, Kaden?
No.
No, it's not.
Tulog ko. Nakatulog.
So guys, kukunin na natin yung Kaden. Ito yung passport niya. Sana andito na. Ayan, malapit na tayo. Konting lakad lang to. Ayaw na lumabas nila Kaden, pero mamaya maglalaro kami dito sa labas. Napakagod siguro kalalakad kanina. So, andito na yung passport ni Kaden. Hindi ko lang papakita kasi yung details. Ayan o. Pabalik na tayo. Worth it naman yung paglakad ko kasi andyan na yung passport. Yan. Titignan natin. Sirain na namin, guys. Oh no!
Let's see, this is another one.
Oh no!
It's not my Canadian passport. It's still the one that I didn't got.
Anong Canadian passport? Nag-apply ka na ba? Bakit Canadian ka?
I want the
Oh, you read this one. Hindi ka Canadian pa. You're not yet Canadian.
Why?
Naiyak siya,
I want
Moita.
to be I wish I have a Canadian passport instead of Filipino.
Oy, grabe. Oh, show it. Show it. Wow. Open it. Look at your picture. If there is a picture in there. Wait, wait. Be careful. Don't tear it up. Oh no, this one. Oh no. You happy? Happy?
Yes.
Oh, what's that? Passport.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay for Canada forever.
Passport yan. Hindi ka magstay sa Canada. Ano yun? PR card?
A few moments later.
Mosquito?
Yes, I hate the mosquitoes.
How to dance like a mosquito?
It has a stinger.
Oh no!
It has a stinger
Your
in the
hat!
back. It has a stinger. So do it like this. Like this tiny mosquito in the stinger. So nice stinger. It's so nice. I don't like.
Nasprayhan na sila ng panglamok. Hindi panglamok, pang anti-lamok. Okay, Kaden. Ayos-ayos ka. Hindi ka ba komportable sa t-shirt mo? Tatalunin natin si Daddy. Oh, don't run, don't run. Masira yung ano, ha? We got to win.
We gotta win.
Oh, don't run. There's a car. So, anong oras na ba? Mag-aalas
No, I get the win.
7 na yata? Or 6:30? Pero, ganyan. Mas maliwanag ng lakaraan. Medyo cloudy kasi ngayon. What's your feeling, Kaden, when you get your passport? You thought it was a Canadian passport?
No, I wish I had a Canadian passport.
Feeling? Ini-expect niya Canadian passport. Bakit daw Pilipinas? Tawang-tawa ako. Oh my God, Kaden.
It's the joy of the first steps of a
Oh, bilis!
child.
Catch the bunny! Go, Ella!
It's the joy of your great grandmother's smile.
Madali! Go, catch him!
We came a long way, but we ain't slowing down. We got a strong pace. No, we we ain't
Oh,
losing ground.
come here na.
We won't give up and we won't turn around.
Grabe mo. Masarap yun. Lasang chicken.
Big wide world with